Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a web developer? Well, today I'm going to give you the ultimate roadmap to kickstart your web development journey. Step 1. HTML and CSS. These are the building blocks of any website. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to dive into JavaScript. JavaScript brings your website to life with interactive elements and dynamic features. But don't stop there. To become a pro, you'll need to learn popular frameworks like React and Angular. These frameworks will take your skills to the next level and make you stand out in the competitive web development industry. And finally, practice, practice, practice. The more projects you build, the better you'll become. So, are you ready to embark on your web development journey? Follow me for more web development tips and tricks. Together, we'll create amazing websites.